Okay, so I've been thinking a few things over, and I've come to the conclusion what I want to put together is what I take with me when we go camping, when we go on a cruise, if I'm doing stuff with the family. Right now I'm recording on the Canon G7xii Mark II. I'm probably going to keep this one for a while because I've heard some really mixed issues with the Mark III. I might end up getting that one later on. I don't know yet. But anyway, I like this Canon G7xii Mark II for the most part. The video comes out really bright. I'm sitting here in the RV right now and have just the overhead lights going on. Some ambient light coming in from outside, but not much. It works really well for also taking still photography, which I've done a vast majority of that over about 37 years. So I really like taking good pictures, and I'm just getting really into the video aspect of it. The pluses of this Canon, it does have a good video. You can zoom with it while taking video. So I really like that. The drawbacks to it, it's not the kind of camera you want to take out with you if it's raining or the weather's just bad. So that's pretty much the downfall with that one. Also, if it's real dusty out, the lens does kind of retract and extend, and it's prone to getting dust and grit in it. So that's the drawback to that. I guess my next thing that I take with me most often is this GoPro Hero 7 Black. Now what's cool is I have it on lanyard. I can put it around my neck, tote it around, and it does pretty good. It is waterproof, dustproof. It gets the job done. It also has some real good stabilization in it, which is going to work out real good when you're out walking around taking video. Supposedly it takes pretty decent still pictures, although I don't really use it for that. I prefer using this the Canon. So that does pretty good, and I'll probably take this with me when I go out on an excursion, or I'm out somewhere where I need to know that my camera is going to be protected from the environment, and that's a big plus. Now recently I upgraded to this little device here. This is a Dji Osmo Pocket. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I mean, you put it in your pocket, works pretty good. The only drawback to it, just like with the Canon, is it's not protected from the environment. It is a gimbal. It does provide good stabilized images, and the audio is pretty good on it as well. As you can see, the audio on this Canon is really good also. So that's where I'm at for as what I like to use when I'm out videoing and working at stuff, as far as our cruises and our personal activities go. Yeah, I mean, bottom line, none of these cameras are really cheap. Probably the least expensive is the Dji Osmo Pocket. Going up from there, you're going to go to the GoPro, which is a very common camera to use, and then ultimately to this Canon G7xii Mark II. Now when we went to Alaska, I took my Nikon D4S, big camera, heavy camera. I didn't shoot any video with it. All I did was shoot nothing but stills. So the overall, what I do is I pretty much take 3 cameras with me to use, and that's what's been very effective for me. Now obviously if I had to choose one over the other, for the overall get everything done you want to get done with it, would be the GoPro, and the video in that is good video. the audio part of it is where the kind of the downfall is on that GoPro. So other than that, the DJI has good audio, and like I said, this Canon has good audio. So anyway, that's where we're at for as what I like to use. We're going on a cruise coming up, you know, about 39 days. That'll be September of 2019, going on Carnival Paradise for a 5-day cruise. And what I'll do is I'll do like I always do, take all 3 of these cameras and use them. So anyway, that's about what I wanted to basically talk about a little bit today, was what I like to use when I go out and have an adventure. I also use this for my granddaughter, the Canon, when she's doing her cheerleading stuff, and it works out really well for that. So I'm gonna wrap this up and say hopefully you get out and enjoy good family time. I know I always do. I took some video when I went out and seen my son out in Wyoming and his new wife. So that was really good. Always document your activities. It's always something good to look back on. And family might be here today and they might not be tomorrow. You never know. So anyway, I'll talk to you later. Have a good one.